Hello, my name is Amadeo. I'm 12 years old and I'm from Indonesia. I learned in Kudikido Malang. In this competition, I make a website called How to Make a Website Using HTML and CSS. In this website, it's got a lot of pages. The first page is the home page. It's got the tips and tricks of how to make a website. The second page is about HTML. The third page is about CSS. The fourth page is about some example of HTML and CSS. The last page is about some example of websites. I choose to make this project because it's going to be useful for all of us in the future. Because technology will be more advanced in the future, and it will be easier if we learn it from now on. For example, in the future you will become an entrepreneur and you will use coding, HTML and CSS to create a website so that more people will see your website and be more interested in the product that you sell. I find it difficult to find the necessary information for beginners and find the tips and tricks for making a website. So I searched the whole internet for some time. After a lot of time searching, I finally got the necessary information. If I have more time, I would have insert more information and make it more beautiful. I think that's all. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and God bless you.